Solana ETFs are coming, price is moving, and you are not ready for what's to come. What's up guys, Cryptomindd here. So, we have some bullish news going on. Before I start, first of all guys, I do not like to ask it sounds kind of like begging or whatever, but make sure to leave a like or subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which I highly appreciate. I like to do this work, not as financial advice, obviously, but I just like to do this for you guys. The updates are solid. I know you guys like it. I know you guys see a lot of value in it. So I love to keep providing it for you guys. So the only thing I ask, please leave a subscribe. It would be amazing. Anyway, back to what's important. Price action and fundamental news. Guys, Solana is bullish. The last time that I updated was 2 weeks ago on this video right here. These altcoins will explode. This video did actually fairly well, so I'm happy with that. But it's all about this news, because if we quickly look back at this video, we kind of want exactly. Price was only here at $166. So $166, which is here. It was very logical which direction Solana wanted to go. Now you have to know that as we entered this consolidation zone here, it took Solana 245 days, more or less, to break out of this zone. And that is with a reason. Now, as you guys already know, Canary Capital filed for a Solana ETF, but it's not the only company who now filed for a Solana ETF. Magically, yesterday, literally yesterday, Bitwise Invest filed for a Solana ETF as well. We already knew what happens, or we already know what happened to Bitcoin. When the ETFs got filed and approved, price just exploded and is still exploding till as we speak. The same thing will happen with Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, and all the HBAR, for example. HBAR, there's an HBAR ETF filing as well. All these tokens or coins that are being filed for an ETF, they will hyper explode. You have to realize that ETFs equal capital flowing in. Not a few hundred thousands, not a few millions, but up to the billions, if not to the trillions, if big companies like BlackRock actually start to get involved. Now, price for Solana does look amazing. We broke out here, which was the only thing we needed to be bullish. Clearly, as it's in the accumulation zone, bearish below, bullish above. Obviously, we went into the bullish direction. And now Solana is back at its all-time high, which is amazing. Now, what does Solana need is very clear, guys. We need a retest of the former all-time high here, or of all-time high. We need to turn the zone into support, and we will see further price discovery. It's very simple. It is literally that simple. If we reject here, that's good. Bitcoin will make a dip. Sooner or late, I do expect Bitcoin, if we quickly take a look at it, I do sooner or later expect Bitcoin to make a dip. I do not expect us to go in one line to the upside without any retests. Like as we can see in the past, as soon as we broke above all-time high, which was around here, we consolidate a little bit. We consolidate a little bit for like 3-4 weeks. We consolidate and dump, consolidate and dump, small consolidation and dump. Then the bear market started. Here the same. In the last in the bull market of 2017, we break above all-time high. We have some nice bullish momentum. We dump to the downside, and we consolidate a little bit, like a little bit of downside momentum. We go up. Same thing happens, boom. Same thing happens, and then boom, bull market done, bear market starts. And I expect the same thing to happen here. And the good thing is, if we then go back to Solana, that means that Solana will see downside momentum as well as soon as Bitcoin decides to correct. And guys, the dip is not to sell. The first dip in a bull market is definitely not to sell. It's to accumulate more. Be smart about it, because if you sell at a fucked up price, let's say midway, price goes higher and then just retest your price, you basically sold for nothing. So my advice is, again, not financial advice, but my advice is hold on and do not sell the first dip. The first dip could be 10, 15, or 20% downside momentum on Bitcoin, which means altcoins will fall with 30, 40, 50% potentially. So you have to be aware of that if it happens. Just a matter of perspective. Do not sell the first dump if it comes. Now, anyway, price overall looks bullish. Fundamentals are bullish. BitInvest is filing for a Solana ETF. Canary Capital last month already filed for a Solana ETF. So things look amazing, guys. The crypto market is growing. People are becoming aware. AUMs are becoming aware. Obviously, they become aware. Probably they already accumulated here. Most likely, even like Canary Capitals or BitInvest, they already started to accumulate here. These people aren't dumb. These people are definitely not dumb. So they are very aware of what's happening, how fastly growing this space is, and the technology behind it. So obviously, this bullish momentum will be amazing. Now, important to close off, because again, this is a short video. Do not forget what the most important thing for altcoins will be, including Solana, Ethereum, is that Bitcoin dominance falls to the downside. We need a crash in Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance doesn't crash, we will not see altcoins go parabolic just yet. Again, history proves it that as soon as Bitcoin dominance collapses to the downside, a massive altcoin bull market is happening. And that will be the same again in this cycle. Be smart, accumulate smart, use dips if they come in your advantage, and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, see you in the next video.